Right mga kaglen, at dito ako ngayon. Binabalik-balikan ako dito sa second time sa Salcedo Saturday Market. Salcedo Village, Makati. So ito, ikot ulit tayo. Nakita ko sa inyo ng mga pagkain kung ano-ano bang prutas at balik-balikan natin here at Salcedo Market. Yeah, Salcedo Village, Makati. So yan, no? Swan, Dua. Mga what's this? Cookies. There, kebab. Kebab. Oh. See? Indian food. Breads here. Sandwiches. Fruits. Siyempre may fruits. See? Choc fruit. Oh.
Yes, sir.
Magkano?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, magkano ba?
Dito, sir, 200 pesos. Dito po 400. Bigay ko na lang sa inyo 350, sir.
Alright, sige. Balik. Thank you.
300 na lang, sir.
Dragon fruit, sir. Sige. Thank you.
Mango, sir.
Mango, Calios here. Yeah. Cross, yan. Teriyaki. There, oh. Very fresh, oh. Gulay. And then here, yan, mga kropek-kropek or sauces. There, dasa. Dasa. Ayan, no, si dasa. What's this? The ibang one, just dimsums. Yeah. Another fruits. Diba? TR's special bibingka and puto-bongbong. There, mga juices. I think 50, 60 pesos. Yeah, 60 and 50 pesos there. Gulay. Of course, murang gulay. And then, diyosa. Yan, no? Suki diyosa here. Yeah. Oh, yan. Oh. 4 pieces, 90. Depending how many pieces you get. Okay. Ayun, what's this? Ano naman to? Japanese pancake. Yeah. How much each po? 35 each. So, yan yun. And then, sausages on each here. See? Per piece. Let's go here this side. Same mga veggies. Fruits again. Of course. Fresh na seafoods and fish. There. Meron din. Seafoods. There. Tuna. Fish and seafoods also there. Okay, let's go for this side. Barbecue. Yeah. How much each barbecue? 400. Okay. So, with rice, no rice? Wala pa rice. Before 100. Sige. Thank you. And see another ihaw. See? Yummy. Daming person actually. Daming person now. Saturday, syempre. This is every Saturday anyway. Start at 7 until until 2. There. Another sausages here. Ihaw. Diba? Ito, mga fresh naman na mga juices at saka shakes there. Rib, meal. Yan yun. Meron din siya. Monster Burger. Dito pala si Monster Burger. See? Di ko kada burgers, diba? Talagang lutuin mo sa harap. Diba? The prices naman there. Alright. So, this side here, Dimson side naman. Of course, mga biryani lovers there. Mediterranean food. Yeah, here. Curry balls, curry, laksa, beef, rindang. Yeah, there. Another juices here, see? Another juices here with the fruits. Diba? Mga videos there. Sandwiches, breads there, see? Ayan. Benedicto Kitchen. Roast beef. Yeah. Yeah, see? Prices is there. Ito naman, Pag naka-order ka na, pwede na, ito yung table, ng vacant tables here. O kung may bakante, dyan ka na uupo. Right, let's go this side. Mga fruits. Yeah. All kind of fruits. Dito mayroon pa. This side. Paikot nga kasi. Mga breads there. Saka see? Oh, smoked fish. Yeah. Pwede daw paluto. Weekly paluto. Fruits. Yeah. Yeah. Hello. So here, yan, mga tusok-tusok. Yan o, street food. Farm. This one's milk. Fresh milk. Different kinds of milk. Yogurt. Yan. Fruits again. See? Mga prutas, mga juices. Of course, ang pampabata na pork gini. See? Pampabatang crispy pata. Ang liempo. Yeah, crispy pata is their prices there. Yan, dinakdakan. Iba pa. And then, let's go. Actually, may Japanese. Oh. See? My favorite. Magkano yung salmon? 380. See? Not bad. Dami. Kaya, very fresh. Oh. Tapos dito, ito na yung dulo. Gulay, fruits. And then, syempre, yung aking binalikan. What's this? Mayroon pa pala doon. Sorry. Mga fruits pa lang dito. At saka mga, yan. Craft fruits. Ayan pa, mayroon pang dirty ice cream. Ayan o. Yeah, dirty ice cream. Another fruits. See? Marami actually fruits at beaches here. Only here at Salcedo Market. Your foodie weekend market. Here, ayun, meron dito Everyone's Cafe. This one, noodles. May pa-noodles din. Ready to hot water na lang. Ready to mix or hot. Of course, here, ito yon yung binalikan ko. This one. This is Thai. Chang Thai food. Diba? So, that one. Oh. Talagang mainit. And then, our favorite na yun, no? Yung sticky rice. Yeah. Okay. There's sticky rice kasi there. See? Wala na. Meron pa isa. It's only 250. Alright. So, that's it. Kasi paikot nga to. Itong park na to. Dito sa Salcedo Park. Dito siya. And then yan. Kung may mga kiddos, may playground there also. There sa loob. Yan. Marami rin foreigners. Ayun. Tapos, sige, let's go inside. Tingnan natin sa loob. I'll show you naman sa loob. Pag pumasok tayo sa loob ng park, ayun, yung mga bata. May mga bata kasi, syempre, dala nila yung mga anak nila. May playground there. So, pagpasok sa loob, meron din dito. So, actually, yung iba, medyo maaga siguro na sold out. Kasi hanggang tunga lang ito. Diba? So, vacant na. And then there, may Bicol, may Bisaya food, may South food, at kung saan-saan panggaling mga food ito. Different here. At hindi lang, may mga coffee pala. May mga grounds coffee here. Roasted coffee. There, oh. So, ayan, pasalubong. Siyempre. Oh, nuts. Yeah. Oh. And then, mga pasalubong also. And then there. Oh, ayun. Bibenta din sila di Limondo yung corned beef. Of course here, homemade ligato made from fresh Carabao milk daw na ice cream. Yeah, just there. It's 150 per scoop. Suman-suman, pasalubong at bagnet kung ano-ano. So ito 'yan. All right, just inside the Salcedo Market at the park inside. Alright everyone, yes. That's it. Ito, nakabili na, nakakali na. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.